Tile the full laundry room floor when possible to avoid awkward transitions and allow future flexibility. When deciding whether to run tile under laundry room cabinets and appliances, consider the long-term use and potential layout changes. Tiling fully simplifies future renovations because cabinets or machines can be moved without leaving unfinished subfloor exposed. If your cabinets are fully sealed to the floor and you are certain the layout will never change, you can save material and labor by tiling only the exposed areas, but that creates a permanent rim where removals will reveal a height difference. For proper installation under cabinets, you need to account for cabinet toe kick height and make sure tiles are cut and set so cabinet bases sit flat. Use a thin-set mortar rated for the substrate and a cement backer board or uncoupling membrane if the subfloor is plywood. Measure and order extra tiles to cover cuts and accidental breakage, generally ordering at least 15% more than the calculated area for waste, and label boxes to maintain consistent lot and die lot. If moisture is a concern under appliances, consider using a waterproof membrane across the entire floor so spills cannot migrate to the subfloor even under cabinets. Common mistakes include failing to plan for appliance replacement, which creates a height mismatch if only exposed areas are tiled. The fix is to tile full floor, or ensure new appliances match current heights and leave transition strips ready. A second frequent issue is inadequate subfloor preparation under cabinets, where installers skip proper backer board, leading to cracking grout or loose tiles. Prevent this by installing cementitious backer board or a flexible uncoupling membrane and verifying floor flatness before setting tile. A third mistake is underestimating material waste when cutting around cabinetry and plumbing fixtures, resulting in last-minute tile shortages. Avoid that by measuring carefully, ordering extra tile from the same production batch, and keeping leftover tiles for future repairs. At bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and a discussion community so users can ask peers about tiling strategies and share photos and tips. We help contractors find work by letting them showcase projects and respond to homeowner inquiries in our community.